Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Before proceeding, ensure your computer is in service mode. To enter service mode, press and hold the B key on the keyboard and then press the power button. Now, the computer will boot up and the owner tag information is displayed on the screen. Press any key to proceed. The computer will emit 3 short beeps and shut down, indicating it has entered the service mode. Loosen the captive screws holding the base cover in place. Using a plastic scribe, pry the base cover from the palm rest assembly, starting at the top edge and working your way around to release it from all sides. Now, lift the base cover from the palm rest assembly. To remove the 2-cell battery, identify the battery cable. Use the pull tab to disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the system. Loosen the 5 screws securing the battery. Lift the battery out of the system with the cable. Carefully push the battery filler downwards to remove it from the 2-cell battery. Remove the latch and tape. Flip the battery over. Disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the 2-cell battery. To reinstall the 2-cell battery, reconnect the cables on the battery connector. Flip the battery over. Retape and reinstall the latch. Carefully push the battery filler upwards to attach it to the 2-cell battery. Place the 2-cell battery along with the battery cable. Tighten the 5 captive screws to secure. Connect the battery cable to the connector on the system board. Next, align the base cover with the palm rest assembly and gently place it into position. Tighten all required screws to secure the base cover in place. To exit service mode, connect the AC adapter and press the power button. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.